Why faceless YouTube niches can make you rich in 2025. Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face? Here's why faceless channels are blowing up in 2025 and how they can make you rich. You've seen them everywhere, channels with robot voices, stock footage, and millions of views. They never show their face, yet they're pulling in thousands every month. What is a faceless YouTube channel? A faceless YouTube channel is exactly what it sounds like. Content that doesn't rely on your face, your voice, or even you being on screen. Here are samples of top 10 videos, motivational compilations, AI-generated storytelling, whiteboard, explainers, relaxing music, or nature scenes. These channels work because they scale easily. You can upload daily using templates, stock footage, and AI tools. Plus, there's no personal branding to worry about. Once uploaded, videos can earn passive income for months through YouTube ad revenue, affiliate, link sponsorships, digital product sales. What are the faceless niches that work in 2025? Here are some trending faceless niches right now: finance, make money, online motivation, and self-improvement, sleep, music and ambient sounds, true crime, fun facts and mysteries, AI-powered. Storytelling, you need tools to make it easy. You don't need to be a pro. Here are tools to help you start: Pictory or InVideo for editing, 11 Labs, or TTS Labs for voiceovers, ChatGPT for scripts, Canva for thumbnails. How much can you earn with faceless channels? Small channels with just 10K subs are earning $2K, $8K, 7. Once you hit 100K subs, 10K is some pits, 10K is with normal, especially when paired with affiliate or digital product income. Start your faceless channel today. You don't need a fancy camera or to be famous. You just need consistency and the right strategy. Faceless channels are changing lives. Start yours today and let your content work while you sleep. Faceless channels are already earning people $100 a day, 1K month, even 10K month, all without personal branding. Results speak louder than excuses. Start your faceless journey now. Do you want more videos like this? Then subscribe to this channel and you will be notified when new videos comes out like this one.